What if there was a sudden attack on your brain, and you had just minutes to save your life? What if knowing the early warning signs could make the difference between life, disability, or death? Recognizing strokes quickly can change everything. Today we'll learn the crucial signs and how to act fast, because every second counts, whether if it's you, or your loved ones. Plus, at the end of the video, 6 natural remedies to prevent strokes. Welcome to Levitas. A stroke happens when blood flow to the brain is interrupted. This lack of oxygen and nutrients causes brain cells to die, leading to brain damage, disability, or even death. Early intervention is critical to minimize the damage. There are 2 main types of strokes: ischemic and hemorrhagic. Ischemic strokes are the most common, occurring when a blood clot blocks a vessel in the brain. Hemorrhagic strokes happen when a blood vessel bursts, causing bleeding in or around the brain. Both types produce brain cell death. The risk factors that increase the likelihood of having a stroke include high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, high cholesterol, obesity, and a sedentary lifestyle. Other factors like heart disease, especially atrial fibrillation, also increase the risk. People over the age of 55, as well as those with a family history of stroke, are at greater risk. Lifestyle choices and chronic health conditions often play a major role in stroke risk. What are the early warning signs of a stroke? To recognize a stroke quickly, it's essential to remember the acronym BE-FAST, which stands for balance, eyes, face, arms, speech, and time. Let's break it down so you can spot it early. B for balance. Sudden loss of balance or coordination is one of the first warning signs of a stroke. A person may stumble, feel dizzy, or have difficulty walking, even if they were fine moments earlier. This loss of balance can occur suddenly, and may make it difficult for the person to stand upright or move. If you or someone around you experiences an unexpected loss of balance or coordination, it's a clear red flag that could indicate a stroke in progress. E for eyes. A stroke can cause sudden changes in vision, another early warning sign. The person might experience blurry or double vision, or even a complete loss of vision in one or both eyes. These vision disturbances can come on rapidly, making it difficult to see clearly or focus on objects. Often, people might try to rub their eyes or blink repeatedly, thinking it's something minor, but if it happens suddenly, it's a critical sign of a stroke. F for face. One of the most visible signs of a stroke is sudden facial drooping. Ask the person to smile. If one side of the face droops or appears uneven, it's a strong indicator of a stroke. This happens because the muscles in the face are affected by the reduced blood flow to the brain, causing weakness or paralysis on one side. Facial drooping can be subtle at first, but it's one of the key signs when determining if someone is having a stroke. A for arms. Weakness or numbness in one arm or leg is another clear indicator of a stroke. Ask the person to raise both arms in front of them. If one arm drifts downward or cannot be lifted at all, it's a sign of muscle weakness caused by a stroke. This arm weakness may be accompanied by a tingling sensation or complete numbness on one side of the body. The arm or leg weakness can be sudden and is often accompanied by other stroke symptoms, making it a crucial sign to identify. S for speech. A person having a stroke may suddenly have trouble speaking, slur their words, or be completely unable to speak. They may also struggle to understand what others are saying. You can test this by asking them to repeat a simple phrase, like, "The sky is blue." If their speech is slurred, garbled, or if they can't repeat the sentence correctly, it's a strong warning sign of a stroke. T for time. When it comes to strokes, time is critical. Every second counts because brain cells are dying with each passing second. If you notice any of these symptoms, loss of balance, vision problems, facial drooping, arm weakness, or speech difficulties, it's time to act. Don't wait to see if the symptoms improve. Call emergency services immediately and get the person to a hospital as quickly as possible. Early treatment can dramatically improve the outcome, reducing the risk of long-term disability or death. While quick recognition of stroke symptoms is vital, prevention is just as important. There are several natural remedies and lifestyle changes that can significantly reduce the risk of stroke. 1. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in foods like salmon, flaxseed, and walnuts, are known for their anti-inflammatory and heart protective properties. These healthy fats help reduce the risk of stroke by lowering blood pressure and improving cholesterol levels. Including them in your diet can help keep your arteries clear and reduce the risk of a stroke. 2. Magnesium is an essential mineral that supports heart health and blood pressure regulation. Studies have shown that people with higher magnesium levels tend to have a lower risk of stroke. Foods rich in magnesium, like spinach, almonds, and avocados, are great options to include in your daily foods. 3. Turmeric, a common spice, contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These effects can help protect the brain and cardiovascular system, reducing the risk of stroke. Adding turmeric to your meals or taking curcumin supplements offer protective benefits against strokes. 4. Fresh garlic or garlic supplements, a natural remedy that can lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of stroke. It has been shown to help thin the blood, reducing the likelihood of clots forming in the arteries. 5. Staying active is one of the most effective ways to prevent a stroke. Exercise improves cardiovascular health, reduces blood pressure, and helps manage weight, all of which are important for stroke prevention. Aim for at least 45 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week to keep your body and brain healthy. 6. Staying hydrated is often overlooked, but it plays a key role in stroke prevention. Dehydration can cause blood to thicken, making it easier for clots to form. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and your blood flowing smoothly. In conclusion, strokes occur when blood flow to the brain is interrupted, leading to cell damage and life-threatening consequences. Ischemic strokes, caused by blood clots, and hemorrhagic strokes, caused by bleeding in the brain, are the two main types. Several risk factors, including high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, and heart disease, increase the chances of a stroke, particularly in people over 55. Recognizing early signs, such as sudden balance issues, vision problems, facial drooping, arm or leg weakness, and speech difficulties, is critical for timely treatment. Prevention strategies, including a diet rich in omega-3s, magnesium, turmeric, and garlic, regular exercise, and staying hydrated, can significantly reduce stroke risk. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.